to Equusline channel. In the first video I will make an introduction about our brand and our company, so you can know better about it. So Equusline is the main brand for horses in Spain and it's produced by Agrobeco. Agrobeco, we are a cooperative company producing animal feed for more than 50 years ago. Always taking as a crucial point selection of raw materials, keeping quality and control of our process, investing, good service, good quality. That's for sure the keys to grow and keeping the time. So we are a cooperative company. That's very important because for different reasons, but one of the main reasons is that not only we produce the feed, but we also produce our own raw materials. That is going to afford us to produce keeping all the time proper quality, control the product we are using, of course also saving costs because we are producing our own ingredients. And as you can see here in these photos, these are the last silos we installed. All the raw material is coming directly to the silos through a system that it doesn't touch the ground, avoiding all type of contamination. Quality commitment is crucial. A horse is a very important and delicate animal, so you cannot have mistakes on that. For that, every truck of raw material coming to the factory, the first thing we are doing is through this sticker we are taking sample from 9 different areas, and the sample travel here directly to our laboratory, which is automatically analyzed just to confirm that everything is according to the needed standards we are using. These are some of the tests we do. But from here in our laboratory, one of the most important standards in terms of export is the climatic chamber. That's a small chamber we have, where we put always sample from every batch production, mostly the ones that we export, mostly far away like Asia or the Gulf countries or Latin America, where the weather is really different to us, also Oceania. In this chamber you can select a certain temperature, you can select also the weather, the humidity, the time you want to keep it there inside, and after 1 month, 2 months we can see how the product it keeps, if it remains good or in bad condition. So this is important before launching any new reference. Controlling also the activity water on it. Our philosophy is of investment. Every benefit, every profit year after year, we are investing it on the company in order to be able to continue growing and improving our product and our service. So the last investment we are just doing is more than 2 million euros in order to change our range of horse feed. We are incorporating some new packaging, vacuum, removing the air, all in order to keep the condition in the whole transport, for a better conservation. A few years ago we also invested in a new warehouse of 5,000 tons capability for 5,000 square meters in order to be able to storage all the products we are producing to export worldwide. And the new silos that we incorporated are these ones on the right side, with capability to storage until up to 12,000 tons of raw material to keep from the first harvest as much time as needed there. Here are just some photos of the new silos. And an important competitive advantage when comparing with other countries that we are producing also horses is our location. We are located in the northeastern part of Spain. That in concrete is the Ebro Valley, it's called. This is a perfect area for growing cereal and raw material and hay, mostly alfalfa, because it's a very dry area, very sunny, very windy, but at the same time we have a very good irrigation, because the irrigation is coming from the main river in Spain, Rio Ebro it's called, and it's coming also from the mountains. So the water coming from the mountains is bringing all the amino acids, minerals, etc. in the water to the feed. A sample of this is that our region is producing the best alfalfa in Europe. Most of it actually is going for Emirates, Saudi Arabia, China, Asia, Korea. To tell you a number, more than half of the alfalfa in Europe is produced here, and also with very high quality alfalfa, like not less than 15% protein usually, 15, 18, up to 18% of protein. We are very flexible, as we are exporting to more than 40 countries all around the globe. It means that every country has different requirements. Some markets needs oat, other markets have their own oat, so they don't really need it, so we adapt the formula according to the needs. According to the type of horse, adapting to every modality like endurance horse, racing, dressage, Arabian show. We professionalize on this field. For that, it is very important, the feedback always. We are always giving service, traveling to visit our clients in order to, because if you don't listen what they need, how it's going with the fit, you will not improve the product. So as I said, we are exporting to the 5 continents, more than 40 countries now, and became a reference brand in important markets from north of Africa, from the Gulf, Middle East, also from Asia. We can say that we are providing our feed to some of the main elite class in the world. Royal cavalries, government horses like Ministry of Defense, police horses, main stats also. Mostly, as you can see here, from Emirates, Bahrain, Cuba, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar. Just some photos of some of our riders there, some of horses. And we like to settle long-term partnerships with our importers worldwide. It's the way for a proper growth always. So thank you so much. On the next video we will talk about horse nutrition.